an hour and 10 minutes or so. I guess they call this adaptive clearing or something like that. Weird thing is I had this above, so I must have mismeasured the thickness of the wood, but at least it held here, so it's holding on to it. I did have some trouble with the movement. I think I'm off on my 0-0 at one point there. So I'm going to leave that as a 0-0, even though it's probably not correct. But then I'm going to put in the 16th inch or 2 millimeter round nose bit. I don't think I'm going to do the other parameter in here. Hopefully I don't break the bit. Again, this is the first time I've used Fusion, so it's definitely a learning curve here. Okay, so I did run the contour with a 1/4 inch bit. It did take off quite a bit. It almost like cut all the different contour mapping, I guess, in half from where it was. So now when I put the small round over bit, it's hopefully going to zigzag, is what it's supposed to do, or maybe spiral a little bit, but it's going to take these and blend all these together so it's smooth. So that's the goal. So that's the next one. Okay, so here's the final toolpath. It's 88,000 lines long, so that's almost double what the other two combined were. So this is going to be a long process, so hopefully it works. I got a really small bit in here. I've never used that 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch sleeve adapter, so hopefully it sticks. I got it in there pretty tight. So, but just to show you, right, this is actually the toolpath here. Whoops, I don't know why it doesn't let me do this there. So as you can kind of see from that should be the pole bear. So it's going to do all these different curves and stuff, in the hopes that it'll smooth it out. So hopefully the bit doesn't break. Again, this is new.
So as you can see, it's going up and down, it's smoothing it out. So I maybe should have went a little deeper, but I think I can sand those out because it's not quite touching a couple spots. So that, I mean, it should be okay. I'm debating about restarting it at a little lower depth. We'll see.
But as you can see, there's the tool pathing that it's doing.
Okay, so I went in and I restarted it and I lowered it about another 1/16 of an inch. So it's looking a lot smoother. So as long as the bit doesn't break, I think it's going to do just fine.
Okay, so there's my polar bear. So that took 41 minutes or so just to do that contouring pass. The one before was 15 minutes, the one before was about 45 minutes. So I guess it only took me basically right around 2 hours. I thought it was supposed to be a lot longer than that, so according to the computer. So not too bad. There's a few spots in here that are a little rough. This line right here is not supposed to be there, so that was an error from previous one. So I'm hoping to sand that out and things should be good.